This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Want to start your business in California without drowning in paperwork and delays? Today, I'm breaking down 5 genius hacks to get your EIN and LLC in California fast, with insider tricks, legal tips, and one shortcut that can save you a ton of time and money. Let's go. Hack 1. Expedited filing with the California Secretary of State. California lets you file your LLC faster through expedited services. Normally, standard processing takes 10 to 15 business days, but here's the hack. Use the 24-hour expedited option or even the same-day service if you file in person in Sacramento. Here's the breakdown. 24-hour expedited filing, $350. Same-day filing, $750, must be submitted at the Sacramento office before 9:30 a.m. Only available for certain forms, like the Articles of Organization, Form LLC 1. A pro tip: call the office ahead, spots fill fast. Hack 2. File online via BizFile California. Don't waste time mailing forms. Use bizfileonline.sos.ca.gov. You can file your Articles of Organization, Statement of Information, and more, all online. Bonus tip: the site is available 24/7. You can pay by credit card. The process is usually faster than mail, even without paying for expedited service. Create your account before you're ready to file. Saves time. Hack 3. Use a California-compliant operating agreement template. A lot of people skip this, but having a well-written operating agreement is not only smart, it's strongly recommended by the state for LLCs, even single-member ones. Why it matters: shows you're a legit entity, not just a sole proprietor. Helps protect your limited liability status. Some banks won't let you open a business account without one. California doesn't require you to file it, but you should keep it on file internally. Don't download generic ones. Make sure it's CA compliant. Hack 4. Apply for your EIN online, instantly. Here's the fun part. Your EIN, Employer Identification Number, is free and instant through the IRS. You don't need to wait for snail mail. Go to IRS website. It's available Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. EST. You must complete it in one session. Sole members should choose single-member LLC during setup. Important note: use the exact legal name and address as you used when forming your LLC in California. Hack 5. Use a professional formation company like Bizee. Want to skip all the headaches? Use a company like Bizee. They'll handle the filings, create your operating agreement, file your EIN, and even serve as your registered agent. All included. Once you click the first link in the description, you'll be taken to the same page as me. You can start the formation process immediately, but first let me show you the package that Bizee offers. Bizee is one of the best entity formation platforms in the market, charging $0 for its service, which no other company offers. You'll see 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The first thing worth mentioning is that you have to pay the state fee. The state fee is what California charges for opening an LLC, which is $75. Bizee is not making any income from this fee. It goes directly to the state. Even if you use the state website, the fee remains the same. New York offers 3 packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The price for each differs, and I'll explain why. To see the full comparison, select the entity type and choose the state. Each package has its own set of services, which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Basic package is the most affordable option. Bizee charges $0 for their service in this package. Bizee charges $0 for their service in this package. You only need to pay the $75 state filing fee. This package includes preparing and filing the Articles of Organization, a free registered agent for 1 year, an online access dashboard, a business banking account offer, and a business tax consultation. No other service provides a free registered agent for the first year without any charge like Bizee does. Next is the standard package, which costs $199. This is the package I highly recommend because it covers everything you need to start a business legally. It includes everything in the basic package, plus additional services like obtaining an EIN, employer identification number, an operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, a business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553 filing, and more. All these services, except for tax consultation, are required by the state to file an LLC successfully in the U.S. Filing these on your own can be challenging, so this package simplifies the process. The premium package costs $299 and includes everything in the standard package, plus 4 additional services: free next-day filing, business contract templates, a domain name with a business email, and a free first-year business phone number. These extras are helpful if you're in a hurry to complete your LLC filing or want added convenience. Business contract templates, valued at $150, include agreements like non-compete clauses, NDAs, and employment contracts. Free next-day filing ensures your documents are processed as fast as possible, although the final timeline depends on the state. The domain name and business email enhance your business's legitimacy by providing a professional email address linked to your company. The standard package includes everything you need to legally launch a business. This is the package I strongly suggest for the majority of business owners as it covers all that is necessary. Bizee also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of Relays, so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term piercing the corporate veil comes into play. Now, if you've been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil, in which case you are, in any position, defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Starting a business doesn't have to be stressful, especially if you use these 5 hacks to get it done fast and smart. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment if you have questions.